China's newly adjusted COVID-19 response that lifts restrictions on Chinese citizens' overseas trips and promotes cross-border personal exchanges will help the recovery of global tourism, said a Pakistani official.
China has been a big outward-bound tourism market for the rest of the world before pandemic. I think this is a very important decision. I think this decision will be very positively impacting the overall global tourism economy because this will help quite a lot to restore the confidence of rest of the world in terms of promotion of tourism.
He added that the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has made the tourist resorts in Pakistan accessible to tourists and will play a vital role in the development of Pakistan's tourism sector.
The CPAC has improved the access to different business hubs and various cities in Pakistan. This road improvement has also facilitated the access to the tourist sites in Pakistan. So this year is going to be a good beginning after the stop of about 2 years pandemic, COVID, and it's going to be a good start. Yeah.